You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to arrange widgets on your iPad to get your home screen looking clean and functional. To start, just tap and hold on any empty space on your home screen when the apps and widgets begin to jiggle. You're in editing mode. In the top left corner, you'll see a plus icon. Tap it to open the widget gallery. You can scroll through the available options or use the search bar to find a specific widget. Once you've picked one, select the size you want and tap Add Widget. Now you can drag the new widget wherever you want on the screen. You can move it around freely just like you would with apps. If you want to stack widgets of the same size, simply drag one on top of another. This creates a smart stack that you can swipe through, which is great for saving space while keeping multiple widgets handy. If you already have widgets on your home screen, you can tap and hold any of them and drag them to a new spot to rearrange. If you change your mind about a widget, tap the minus icon in its corner and confirm to remove it. When you're finished making changes, tap Done in the top right corner to exit edit mode, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful iPad tips. See you later.